Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Caddirect tutorial how to draw rectangle. To draw rectangle, you can type a rectangle, press enter, and you need to specify for the first corner. I will click in here. Now I will set for length like into 10, and you can press tab button, you can set width into 5. Press enter to apply. You can type a rectangle to use the rectangle command, press enter. Now in here I will set for chamfer, you can click here, chamfer. And we set for the chamfer for the first chamfer into 5 and the second chamfer into 5 again. So I will click in here for the first corner. And I will set for length into 20 and for width 20. Press enter. To be automatically create a rectangle with chamfer. We create again by using fillet. You can tap a rectangle, press enter, use fillet tools, and I will set for radius into 3. And you can set for the corner points. I will set for length into 25 and for width 25. Press enter. Okay, that's it for basic Caddirect tutorial how to draw rectangle. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.